Ever felt that sinking feeling when you realize you need to move money, and your business bank account is, well, empty? Or maybe you've just landed a big client, and you're itching to get their payment working for you ASAP. We've all been there. Managing cash flow is the lifeblood of any business, big or small. And a smooth, reliable way to deposit funds is absolutely crucial. Today, we're diving deep into exactly that, how to deposit funds into your NorthOne account. Because let's be honest, while running your business should be exciting, figuring out banking shouldn't be a puzzle. NorthOne is designed to simplify business banking, and that includes making deposits as painless as possible. So, whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this video will break down all your options, step by step, ensuring you never miss a beat when it comes to managing your money. Now, before we jump into the specifics, it's important to understand why having multiple deposit methods is so valuable. Think about it. Different situations call for different solutions. Sometimes you need to deposit a check quickly, other times you might be receiving a wire transfer, or perhaps you just want to transfer funds from another account. Having flexibility is key. NorthOne gets this, which is why they offer a variety of ways to get money into your account. We're going to cover the most common methods in detail: mobile check deposit, ACH transfers, wire transfers, and cash deposits at participating retailers. Let's start with mobile check deposit. This is a game changer for speed and convenience. Imagine skipping the trip to the bank altogether and depositing a check from the comfort of your office or even your couch. With NorthOne's mobile check deposit feature, you can do just that. It's built right into the NorthOne mobile app, making it incredibly easy to use. Here's how it works. First, you'll need to endorse the back of the check. This means signing your name, just like you would for a traditional deposit. It's also a good practice to write for mobile deposit only underneath your signature to further secure the transaction. Next, open the NorthOne app on your phone and navigate to the deposit section. You'll find an option for mobile check deposit. Select it. The app will then prompt you to take a picture of the front and back of the check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and the images are clear and in focus. The app will guide you through the process, ensuring you capture all the necessary information. Once you've taken the photos, the app will process the images and extract the relevant details, such as the check amount and routing number. You'll have a chance to review everything before submitting the deposit. After you've confirmed the details, simply tap Submit, and you're done. The check image is securely transmitted to NorthOne for processing. Keep in mind that there are usually cutoff times for mobile check deposits, and it may take a business day or two for the funds to become available in your account. The app will provide you with estimated processing times. Now, let's talk about ACH transfers. ACH stands for Automated Clearing House, and it's a network used for electronic transfers between banks. ACH transfers are a common way to move money between your NorthOne account and other bank accounts you may have. Setting up an ACH transfer with NorthOne is straightforward. You'll need to link your external bank account to your NorthOne account. This usually involves providing your external account's routing and account numbers. NorthOne may use a microdeposit verification process where they send a couple of small deposits to your external account. You'll then need to confirm the amounts of these deposits with NorthOne to verify ownership of the account. This is a standard security measure to protect your funds. Once your external account is linked, you can initiate ACH transfers either to or from your NorthOne account. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process. Next up, wire transfers. Wire transfers are generally used for larger sums of money or when you need the funds to be available quickly, often within the same business day. Unlike ACH transfers, which are processed in batches, wire transfers are processed individually, making them faster but usually more expensive. To receive a wire transfer into your NorthOne account, you'll need to provide the sender with your NorthOne account number, routing number, and the bank's address. NorthOne can provide you with these details within the app or on their website. If you need to send a wire transfer from your NorthOne account, you'll need to contact NorthOne directly, as this process may involve additional security measures and verification. Finally, let's discuss cash deposits. While NorthOne doesn't have physical branches, they've partnered with a network of retailers, allowing you to deposit cash at convenient locations. To deposit cash, you'll need to use the NorthOne app to generate a barcode or obtain deposit instructions. You'll then take this information to a participating retailer, such as a CVS, Walgreens, or Walmart. At the retailer, you'll present the barcode or instructions to the cashier, along with the cash you wish to deposit. The cashier will scan the barcode or enter the information, and the cash will be added to your NorthOne account. It's important to note that participating retailers may have limits on the amount of cash you can deposit at one time, and there may be a small fee associated with this service. You can find information about participating retailers and any associated fees within the NorthOne app. So, there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to deposit funds into your NorthOne account. Whether you prefer the speed of mobile check deposit, the convenience of ACH transfers, the urgency of wire transfers, or the accessibility of cash deposits, NorthOne offers a range of options to suit your specific needs. By understanding these different methods, you can optimize your cash flow and ensure your business runs smoothly. No more frantic trips to the bank or worrying about delayed payments. With NorthOne, you have the tools you need to manage your money effectively. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.